He's probably calling because he's around the corner. Oh, he's probably sad because I'm not.
I know.
He's probably like, is she at the airport?
I know.
Oh, he doesn't even know I'm at the airport.
I know, but I can't stop it, right?
Yeah, we can.
Why did it stop? Because he called?
Yeah. Because when they call, it goes away. Does he have the New York Yankees shirts?
Is he? You see?
Is he in blue?
Light blue?
Really? What pants?
What color pants?
No, he doesn't.
Oh, that's him. That's
Where?
him. Right there.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Isn't
Daddy,
that him?
call him. Daddy, call him.
No, you go up and call
No, I
him.
can't go over there.
Yeah.
You can't go over there. You can't go over there.
They might come out that way, or they'll send them back this way.
Here he comes. He's coming. Go
Don't
over
talk,
there.
Don't talk. No, I can't go through
Move. Wave to him. At least so he knows it's you.
there. He's still on his phone.
He's trying to get you. Oh, he's so cute. Come get him.
I can't.
Go, 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 go. Hi. That's adorable. I don't think she's gonna let go.
Hello. Hi. Good to meet you too.
Yeah, I fell asleep for a little bit on it. So,
Hannah, can I stop or no?
Yeah, you can stop.